Alright, so I'm back at Kaylees, one of the vegan places that I recommend going to. And so today I'm going to try the buffalo mac and cheese. Now you may see Beyond Burger on here. They actually no longer have Beyond Burger in the country. Like most other countries are going through that fake meats thing. So the meat industry is trying to pretty much get them out of the country because people are realizing eating fake meat or plant-based meat is actually healthier and better for them than eating regular meat. However, they still have tons of other options here. And this is just to show you the menu. You can check them out on Instagram. And this is their weekday specials. So today's Monday, buy one burger, a sandwich, and get the second half off. I'm not a burger guy, so I never really take advantage of any of those specials. All of their shakes and fraps are actually vegan also. There's their hot drinks. Here's their desserts. They have they say American apple pie. Juices, and they have smoothies.